Okay, this is a Fender Gemini II made sometime during the 80s. The condition is okay. It was brought in with a broken headstock. Of course, this is going to have to be taken out and look at the condition of the wood here. It's going to have to be looked at how fractured and chipped that is. Probably be glued, any loose wood be glued before repairing the big fix. Because from what I see, there's only this chipped out area. And this might be a little shredded. So it's going to take a little bit of looking at. But yes, this can be fixed, and we'll take a look at it when we get to that, okay? Alright.